Welcome to our channel. Today we how to transfer tax documents to a new accountant using TaxDome detailed guide step by step clearly. To begin transferring tax documents to your new accountant using TaxDome, first, log into your TaxDome account. Once you are logged in, navigate to the client portal. Locate the client folder where you want to upload your tax documents. If you do not have a specific folder created yet, click on Add Folder to create one. Name the folder appropriately to reflect the type of tax documents you'll be transferring. Next, click on the folder to open it. Within the folder, look for the Upload button. Click the Upload button to open the File Selection dialog. Select the tax documents you wish to transfer from your computer. Once you've selected the files, click Open to begin the upload process. Wait for the upload to complete, ensuring all documents are processed. After the upload, confirm that your documents appear in the client folder. If you need to share these documents with your accountant, click on the Share option. Select your new accountant from the list of users. Check the box next to the documents you wish to share. Finally, click on Share to grant access to your accountant. Your accountant will now be able to view the transferred tax documents via their TaxDome account. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.